What if I told you that you no longer need a personal trainer? AI is now smart enough to create personalized workouts, track progress, and even give you meal plans, all in real time. Today, I'll show you the 5 best AI fitness tools that can completely transform your body and mind. Tool 1. Fitbod AI, your AI gym trainer. Struggle to create workouts. Fitbod AI designs a personalized gym plan based on your fitness level, equipment, and goals, so you never have to think about what to do at the gym again. Tool 2. Whoop AI, the smartest recovery tracker. Overtraining can kill your progress. Whoop AI tracks your heart rate, sleep, and recovery levels, telling you when to push hard or when to rest for maximum gains. Tool 3. Calorie Mama AI, AI that counts calories. From a photo, tracking food is boring, but not with AI. Calorie Mama scans your food with just a picture and instantly calculates calories and macros, making meal tracking effortless. Tool 4. Fitr AI, AI-powered personal training. No need for a personal trainer. Fitr AI creates custom workout plans for strength, weight loss, and even sports training, just like a real coach. Tool 5. Google Health AI, the future of personalized wellness. Google Health AI analyzes your health data, tracks symptoms, and even predicts potential health issues, helping you stay ahead of your fitness and wellness game. AI is revolutionizing the fitness industry, making health tracking easier and smarter than ever. Would you trust an AI trainer over a human? Drop your thoughts in the comments.